Hello, welcome to the channel. This video is about 5 words that we get from an article. Let's get started. Okay, the first one, a kid saw juggernaut. Okay, the first word is juggernaut. What's the meaning? Let's take a look. Okay, the word juggernaut.
Juggernaut.
Okay, what's the meaning? It means a very large and powerful company or organizations or industry. Okay, juggernaut. Thank you. Alright then, what's the next one? That leaves nothing to chance. Moonbug fine-tunes the world's most popular video programs for the youngest of viewers. Parents already know that resistance is futile. Okay, what's the meaning of futile? Okay, let's take a look. Futile.
Futile.
Futile. Okay, having no effect or achieving nothing. Okay, futile. That's good. Then keep on moving. Okay. London, sitting on a sofa. In a glasswort room, a 2-year-old in a blue t-shirt is... Oh, that's good. Riveted. Okay, what's the meaning of riveted? Let's take a look. Okay, rivet.
Rivet.
Rivet to fasten part together. Okay, stick together. Okay, stick in a place to fasten parts together with a rivet. Okay, then what's the next one? By an episode of Cocomelon, an animated cartoon series full of vivid colors. Okay, cherubic. Cherubic. What's the meaning of cherubic? Let's take a look. Cherubic. Okay, cherubic.
Cherubic.
Or having a round, attractive face like that of a child. Okay, cherubic.
Cherubic.
Good. Okay, then we move on to the next one. Cherubic children and earworms. What's the meaning of earworms? Let's take a look. Alright.
Earworm.
Earworm, a song that keep hearing in your head is earworm. Okay, so let's take a look which 5 words that we have learned today. Earworm. Okay, and
Earworm.
the other one, cherubic.
Cherubic.
Okay, having a round, attractive face like that of a child. And what's the other one? Okay, rivet. Okay, what's the meaning?
Rivet.
Rivet to fasten part together with a rivet. Okay, then what's the next one? Okay, futile. Okay, futile. What's the meaning of futile?
Futile.
Okay, alright. Having no effect or achieving nothing. Okay, futile. Okay, thank you. And then next one. Juggernaut. Okay, juggernaut. What's the meaning of juggernaut? Juggernaut? Very powerful, a very large organization that cannot be stopped. Okay, so
Juggernaut.
juggernaut. Alright, that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.